esteemed guests, students, and volunteers, Assalamu alaikum. From the ongoing war in Ukraine, the devastation and displacement of the Syrians, to rising social unrest within our own country, the value of education has become crucial more than ever before. Imagine this. Today, more than 78 million children and young people in crisis-stricken areas are out of school. A quarter of the population in Bangladesh is still illiterate. And despite great schooling efforts, literacy levels remain at a meager 75%. 10 years ago, this foundation was born out of a single unitary vision: to ensure that every child in the village my father had once called his home got access to the education that they deserve. I'd like to relate the story involving a potato, eggs, and coffee beans. If you were to place a potato in a pot of boiling water, eggs in a second pot, and coffee beans in a third pot, and let them sit in the pot of boiling water, you'll notice something interesting. The potato becomes soft to touch. The egg, if you pull off the shell, becomes hard-boiled. And if you were to take a sip of that coffee, you'd notice the unmistakable scent of a rich aroma. But why do I bring this up? Well, you see, the potatoes, the eggs, and the coffee beans had each faced the same adversity: the pot of boiling water. However, each one had responded differently to that same adversity. The potato went in strong, hard, and unrelenting. But in boiling water, it became soft and weak. The egg was fragile, with a thin outer shell enclosing the liquid interior. But in boiling water, the inside became hard. However, the ground coffee beans were unique. After they were exposed to the boiling water, they changed the water and created something new. My question to you is, which one are you? Are you the potato that seems strong, but with pain and adversity, you grow soft and lose strength? Are you the egg that starts with a malleable heart, but with the advent of some hardship, you grow bitter and tough, with a stiff spirit and a hardened heart? Or are you like the coffee bean? The bean actually changes the hot water, the very circumstance that brought about the adversity, the pain, the hardship, into something quite wonderful. If you are like the bean, when things are at their worst, you improve and change the situation around you for the better. Likewise, education is not merely about acquiring knowledge. Given your scholarship achievements, I congratulate you. But our journey through the doors of success is only starting. To truly unlock the value of education means thinking not only for ourselves, but for the greater benefit of society. Just like the coffee beans, we need to have the courage to bring a positive light to others, even when we ourselves are faced with the toughest of situations. In the words of the great Rabindranath Tagore, the highest education is that which does not merely give us information, but makes our lives in harmony with all existence. This is the kind of education we strive to provide, an education that nurtures not just minds, but hearts. Not just knowledge, but wisdom. Not just individuals, but a nation. Thank you, and congratulations to all of you.